Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to disable banned notices in the Banned app on your phone. If you find the notifications from Banned distracting or unnecessary, this guide will help you turn them off quickly and easily so that you can enjoy using the app without interruptions. First, open the Banned app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, find and tap on the Notifications option. After that, scroll further to find Banned Notices and Notification Sounds. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you will see options categorized under the Banned section. Begin by turning off event promotion notifications and confirm by clicking OK. This will prevent promotional messages from appearing on your device. Finally, you can also turn off service notices. Simply select the option and click Yes to confirm. Once both event promotion and service notices are disabled, your Banned app will no longer send these notifications, allowing for a more peaceful experience. By following these steps, you can stop unwanted notifications and focus on the content and features that matter most to you.